Turn on auto replies on Instagram in under 1 minute. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now check if you see the professional dashboard above the Edit Profile option. If you see this message, your account is already a creator or business account, which is required for auto replies. If not, quickly switch your account to creator or business first. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down to how others can interact with you. Tap on Messages and Story Replies. Now, open Message Requests. Find Allow Access to Messages and turn it on. Next step, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Meta Business Suite and install it. This is Meta's official app for managing Instagram business features. After installing, open the Meta Business Suite app. By default, it may display the Facebook login option. Tap Login with a different account. Now choose Login with Instagram. Select the Instagram account you want to set auto replies for. Tap Allow, then tap Get Started. Inside Meta Business Suite, tap the More option at the bottom right. Here, click on Settings. Scroll down to the Instagram Settings section, tap on Automations. Now select Instant Reply. Turn on the toggle next to Instagram. Tap the pencil icon to customize the message. Delete the default message and type your own. Example, "Thanks for reaching out. We'll get back to you as soon as possible." After that, at the top right, tap on Save. Tap Save again. From now on, if anyone messages you, it will give an automatic reply. And that's it. For more Instagram tips, subscribe.